Would you be surprised if I tell you that some ancient civilizations had more knowledge about Earth and life on this planet than what we have today? For example, modern science is just beginning to learn that Earth's magnetic field can have a powerful effect on our mental states, and even on our physical bodies. It is a known fact that many creatures like sea turtles and some migratory birds can sense Earth's magnetic field for navigational purposes. And the important thing is, our bodies also create an electromagnetic field due to the presence of bioelectricity. So it is possible that this electromagnetic field interacts with Earth's magnetic field, and it produces tangible effects on our moods or chemical processes within our bodies. It seems like the authors of the Vedas were aware of this fact, because they gave precise instructions on which directions to face while performing a ritual or even a mundane activity like sleeping, so that your body is aligned with Earth's geomagnetic field to